I think Leslie's still sick. So I'm going to school by my own now. No, I don't think I want to go to school. Let me see, I'm gonna call my boyfriend. Hello? Yes, hello. Do you want to go to the new steak shop? Or maybe like, go shopping? Sure, why not? Use my car. You don't need to walk. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye. Okay. I hope there is no Wamsley anywhere with the principal. Because in my last video I did. Where is his car, by the way? I think it's around here. Oh yeah, his house is right there, so I'm just gonna go there. There he is. Hello. Okay, well, sorry about that. Well, I'm already at his house. Okay, so I'm at somebody's place now. Oh, I'm at my boyfriend's place. Okay.